Last week we had a look at the Avante A10, which is a two-way top cabinet. This week we're going to look at the A15S. This is a 15-inch subwoofer. Now Avante is pro audio that was designed more for install, but I think this is going to work fantastic for mobile DJs, especially school dance DJs and quinceañera DJs. It only weighs 57 pounds. It's got a peak power of 1600 watts, but like we talked about last time, who cares? RMS, 500 watts. And as far as watts that it's taken from the wall, 600. So that's what you care about, 600 watts. Let's talk about SPL, 116 decibels, and a frequency range between 35 Hz and 160 kHz. Now the A15S and A18S both come with these screw-on poles, so you can put your top cabs above your subwoofer. Now as you can see, this isn't the tallest pole ever going on top of a subwoofer, and that's because this was designed more for stage purposes. So if you're looking to get your speaker a little higher up in the air, you might have to step into a taller pole, but for those of you who are using it for a stage, its intended purpose, this is going to be perfect for you. Here at the back we have a cooling fan, power switch, IEC plug, left and right inputs, so if you want to run a single subwoofer, which is what I do a lot of the times, you can do that in stereo. Out of your mixer, you run into left and right stereo. These are combo 1/4 inch XLR plugs, and of course you can run left and right out over here. And there are a lot of crossover points that you can choose from here in the DSP menu. The menu is pretty straightforward. You can adjust your volume here. 0 decibels, you can go lower, higher, whatever you'd like. We're going to leave it at 0. Press the knob in one time, and down we're in mode. We can go normal or in force. You can see the EQ changes. Leave it on normal. Location, normal, cardioid, or end fire with the sub stacked. Delay. Now this is cool. If your subs are spaced apart and you're hearing a delay in the room, you can adjust this. We'll go back to none. Polarity. Normal or reverse. Crossover. Here is where you can set the crossover point on the sub and how it acts with the top cabs that's running through it. So it's got a built-in crossover. You can just set it to the A10 if you've got an A10 like I do, A12, A15, or you can select a custom crossover point right here. Now this is the delay here. Meter or feet. You can change the delay to feet instead of meter, which I didn't know. Now I do. It's on meter. That's fine. We'll leave it there. LED. You can go on, off, or use it as a limiter if you're trying to tune front of house. And of course, reset. You can just set everything back to factory settings, which, yeah, we'll go ahead and do that. We didn't really change anything anyway. Info, that's what's going on with the speaker, and that's it. So there's a quick walk around and sneak peek of the Avante A15S. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. We'll try to go more in depth and maybe do some cardioid setups next week. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, practice, and enjoy.